Ripple XRP working with Swift. This is huge for XRP. Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode on your favorite channel XRP Zone. Today there is big news for XRP holders and investors because Swift has started working with XRP. Let's take a look into the intro of XRP and the Ripple network and how they will work with Swift. Will this bring a hike to the value of XRP? Would you be blown up if you find XRP worth $10? And what's huge for XRP is this contract. The Ripple Labs, who was created by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb, actually works on a network known as the Ripple Network. The Ripple Network allows real-world assets to be transacted from one bank to another or one party to another in less time without any transaction fees. However, the network is a pool of its native cryptocurrency, so on each transaction, there is a small amount of XRP taken by the company. This isn't to compensate traders. Also, one of the interesting things about XRP is that the Ripple Network does not run with a proof-of-work system like Bitcoin or proof-of-stake system like Next. Unlike the XRP, the Bitcoin and Ethereum are more like bank. The Ripple system scores better than the Bitcoin network for its lower processing times and lower transaction charges, 87, but if we look at Bitcoin, it's generally more widespread and better known than XRP, but Bitcoin remains a truly public system that is not owned by any single individual, authority or government. The Ripple network, although decentralized, is owned and operated by the private company known as Ripple Labs. Ripples are designed to be a passageway for transactions to take place and as a bridge between other digital and fiat currencies. XRP is a native cryptocurrency that was never really intended to be a standalone currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike the majority of other cryptocurrencies, XRP is not mined or made. Instead, all ripples were generated during the Genesis event. XRP is not designed to be traded in the same way as other different cryptocurrencies of the world. Instead, Ripple acts as a way to protect the system from incentive-based, non-functional spam and to help convert real-world assets into digital issuances, the process through which the transaction is made. Hence, we can see that Ripple is much more like a network used for transactions worldwide. This quality of Ripple must have attracted the attention of the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, legally SWIFT. It provides a network that enables financial institutions worldwide to send and receive information about financial transactions in a secure, standardized, and reliable environment. SWIFT is a vast messaging network used by banks and other financial institutions for immediate, accurate, and secure sending and receiving of information, such as money transfer instructions. This is the largest telecommunication network of banks, including more than 11,000 SWIFT member institutions. According to a survey, the SWIFT sent over 35 million transactions per day through the network in 2020. The service of SWIFT enables businesses and consumers to send low-value, cross-border payments anywhere in the world in seconds with full transparency and strong security of the payments. 7 global banks, which collectively handle 33 million low-value cross-border payments per year, have already gone live with Swift Go, a key building block in the cooperative's strategy to enable instant and frictionless cross-border transactions. We must know that Swift is stepping up as countless payments and transaction companies have developed solutions that solve the most troublesome issues in cross-border payments, including firms emerging from blockchain space such as XRP-powered Ripple, ex-Ripple founder Jed McCaleb's Stellar, and a newly launched company Algorand-powered 6 Clovers. Swift's new product is designed for SMEs that wish to pay suppliers overseas and for consumers sending money to friends and families internationally. But also, the Swift Go uses tighter service level agreements between institutions and pre-validation of data to allow banks and provide their end customers a fast and ensured payments experience with upfront visibility on processing times and costs. Swift's network connects more than 11,000 institutions and 4 billion accounts across 200 countries worldwide. At start, Swift and Ripple were thought to be rivals. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, said, "Ripple exists to help the banks. As Swift is owned by the banks, there might be some opportunity for partnerships." But Swift commented that blockchain does not help with corresponding banking, to which Brad says, "We have got well over 100 of their customers saying that they disagree." But with the passage of time, Ripple and Swift started to look up for a future together. Stephen Gilderdale, Chief Product Officer at Swift, said, "Swift Go is a further step towards achieving our vision of enabling anyone, anywhere, to send money instantly and securely around the world." An interesting statement was issued in 2019 in the Blockchain Summit in London by Marjan Delatine, who was Ripple's head of global banking. Ripple and SWIFT are not competitors, but can be very complementary. Hence, this was predictable of both the countries to work together in the future. Ms. Delatine, who is in charge of selling its global payments innovation GPI service before joining Ripple, worked for SWIFT for almost 10 years, also said that we are two different things. We are not replacing SWIFT, as SWIFT has its own value. Adding to her statement, she said that banks could take advantage of both. This statement helped us foresee the partnership of both the companies. Talking about the GPI of the SWIFT, it actually SWIFT's attempt to upgrade and provide faster settlement times and an ability to track all the payments so to avoid any spams. In 2019, the average working power of SWIFT was 30 minutes in ETA for half of GPI payments, with almost all within 24 hours. It was a great accomplishment at the time, but in 2020, SWIFT is accomplishing a better service because the way that the payments happen today are easier comparatively. But one of the loopholes in the system was the messaging. The messaging wasn't a settlement, but was necessary to send to other party and ensure the transactions. SwiftGo, however, seems to have reduced low-value cross-border payments to seconds with full transparency and strong security. This is one of the biggest achievements of the firm. Now, the question, is there something big for XRP in SWIFT working with Ripple? So the answer is yes, because we all know about the recent trials of the company holders when SEC sued them. Ripple still remains tied to the lawsuit with the SEC over an alleged sale of unregistered securities, which lost the credibility of the company, also causing XRP to be a security. So the good news is, if SWIFT works with the Ripple, it may bring stability to the value of Ripple. Also, Ripple is working on more upgrades so as to make it more suitable and attractive for its users, making the RippleNet the most trusted network for global payments, thus finding stability for the company and ensuring a good future for the company. In this regard, the company has announced it is venturing into asset tokenization. Tokenized assets have also been under radar of the SEC, so it was a step towards ensuring the SEC of following the rules in future. The SEC chair, Gray Gensler, said, "Make no mistake, it doesn't matter whether it's a stock token, a stable value token backed by securities, or any other virtual product that provides a synthetic exposure to underlying securities. It is predicted that a shift to $20 to $25 is expected of an XRP if SWIFT continue to work with Ripple, so that's obviously huge for the XRP holders." A very well-known quote was given in the Forbes Advisor about XRP and SWIFT that says, "Ripple was designed from the very beginning to essentially be a replacement for SWIFT, a leading money transfer network, or to otherwise replace the settlement layer between major financial institutions," says Pat White, CEO of Bitwave. But the time showed a different occasion of both the companies working side by side and creating better networks. This deal is absolutely beneficial for both the companies, as XRP will definitely get a boost after the fall it saw because of the SEC allegations. We cannot imagine the value this will bring to XRP, but definitely a good high. Also, SWIFT is predicted to be doing more quick and successful transactions than ever before. In the end, I'm adding some XRP values in today's market. Here, take a look. The live XRP price today is $1.16 with a 24-hour trading volume of $7,665,227,548. Also, today's range of XRP was $1.2224 to $1.3008. It may be $10 by the end of 2021, only if the investors thought of XRP a worthy coin to invest in. I hope you find this helpful if you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more.